There is a river that should not exist. It cuts through one of the most unforgiving deserts on Earth. 3,000 miles of cracked earth, scorching heat, and absolute emptiness, and then, impossibly, a ribbon of green. The ancient Egyptians did not find this river. The river found them. It flooded every year like clockwork. It deposited the richest soil on Earth along its banks. And then it retreated, leaving behind everything a civilization needed to grow. The Greek historian Herodotus said it best. Egypt is the gift of the Nile. He was not speaking poetically. He was stating a geological fact. Without this river, there is no Egypt. Without Egypt, the ancient world looks completely different. Without the ancient world, you and I are different people entirely. Before there was Egypt, there were two Egypts. Upper Egypt, in the south, a narrow strip of fertile land running alongside the Nile through rocky desert and sandstone cliffs. Its people wore a white crown. Their symbol was the lotus flower. Lower Egypt, in the north, a wide green triangle where the Nile fans out into the Mediterranean Sea, the delta. Its people wore a red crown. Their symbol was the papyrus reed. For centuries, these two kingdoms existed separately, trading, competing, occasionally fighting, two cultures sharing one river, but refusing to share one throne. Then around 3100 BC, a king changed everything. His name was Narmer. Some call him Menes. History is not entirely sure, and that mystery is part of what makes him so fascinating. What we do know is this: Narmer wore both crowns, the white and the red. Together they formed the double crown, the skent. And for the first time in history, Egypt was one. That unification in 3100 BC did not just create a country. It created a civilization that would last for 3,000 years. Longer than the Roman Empire. Longer than Christianity has existed. Longer than almost anything humanity has ever built. 3,000 years. Let that settle.